Namaste dear children, I am Rega. Welcome to my channel Rega's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see SOF National Cyber Olympiad NCO for Class 1, Chapter 6, Starting and Shutting Down a Computer. We read about computer and its parts, but do you know how to start a computer? Yeah, we must follow certain steps to start a computer. Here are those steps. So, step 1, switch on the main power button. Step 2, press the power button on UPS. Step 3, switch on the CPU. Then, step 4, press the power button on monitor. So, these are the steps to start a computer. First step, switch on the main power button. Then, press the power button on UPS. Then, switch on the CPU. The last step, press the power button on monitor. So, after switching on the computer, the desktop screen is displayed. It seems so easy. Now, can you tell me how to turn off a computer? Yeah, sure. The following sequence of steps is followed to shut down a computer. Then we will see the steps. Step 1, click on Start button. Step 2, click on Shut down. Step 3, press the power button on monitor. Then step 4, switch off the UPS. Step 5, switch off the main power button. The first step to start a computer is to dash. Option A, switch on the main power button. Press the power button on UPS. Press the power button on CPU. Switch on the monitor. Which is the first step to start a computer? Switch on the main power button. That is option A. The next one. Once the computer is on, a screen is displayed which is called dash. Option A window, option B desktop, option C start menu, option D icons. So that screen is called a desktop. So correct answer is option B. The screen with icons, taskbar and start button is called a desktop. Which of the following labels of start menu marked as W, X, Y and Z would you click to shut down the computer? So to shut down the computer, which label you should click? Here you have given X, Y, Z and W. So which one would you click? Option D, Z. Z is shut down. After switching on the CPU, which part of computer is powered on? Option A monitor, option B printer, option C UPS, option D speaker. Which is the correct answer? Option A monitor. Monitor is switched on by pressing the power button available on it. The next one. With the help of which part of computer the shutdown option is selected in start menu? Option A mouse, option B printer, option C CPU, option D mic. So with the help of which part of computer the shutdown option is selected in start menu? Correct answer is option A mouse. We use mouse to click on the shutdown option. While working with computer, dash. Option A, sit too close to the monitor. Option B, keep the eatables away from it. Then option C, do not use the keyboard gently. Then option D, play with wires attached to computer. So while working with computer, what is the correct answer? What step you must follow? Keep the eatables away from it. So option B is the correct answer. We should never sit too close to the monitor. Then what about the eatables? Eatables should be kept away. We should use the keyboard very gently. We should not play with any wires. So only option B is correct. Then which of the following parts is used to keep the computer on when there is a power failure? Option A monitor, option B keyboard, option C speaker, option D UPS. What is the correct answer? Option D UPS. So UPS is used to keep the computer on when there is a power failure. Which of the following options safely shuts down the computer and then starts it again? Options are option A log off, option B shut down, option C restart, option D sleep. So which is the correct option? Option C restart. Restart option is used to start it again after shutting down the computer safely. So next one, the small pictures marked as P. See in the picture you can see P. In the given image that we see on desktop are called dash. The small pictures marked as P in the given image that we see on desktop are called dash. Icons, pins, images, clips. What is the correct answer? Option A, icons. Next one, when a computer is not in use. Options, it must be covered properly. Option B, it must be cleaned with a wet cloth. Option C, its wires can be detached. Option D, we can play with its parts. Which is the correct answer? Option A, it must be covered properly. So, when a computer is not in use, it is covered to keep the dust away from it. How can you keep your computer dust free? Options. Option A, by washing it with water. Option B, by blowing air on it. Option C, by cleaning it with a dry cloth. Option D, all of these. So, how can you keep your computer dust free? Which is the correct answer? Option C, by cleaning it with a dry cloth. The sequence of actions done by the computer to get everything ready for use while starting is called option A tapping, option B logging, option C booting, option D clicking. What is the correct answer? Option C booting. Booting is a sequence of actions done by a computer to get everything ready for use while starting. Next one. To start a laptop, you just need to dash. Option A, press power button available on the laptop. Option B, press the window key. Then option C, tap twice on touchpad. Option D, press the tab key. Which is the correct answer? Option A, press power button available on the laptop. As laptop is an all-in-one computer, it has CPU, monitor, keyboard built into one unit. So we need not to switch on each part separately. We just need to press the power button available on it. A computer is switched off when it is not in use to dash. Option A, supply power to its parts. Option B, save electricity. Option C, keep it warm. Then option D, increase its speed. What is the correct answer? A computer is switched off when it is not in use to save electricity. Option B is the correct answer. Unscramble the given word and select the statement which is correct about it. So, a word is given, we have to unscramble the given word. See, the unscrambled word is booting. So, here some options are given. Option A, it is performed when computer is switched off. Then option B, it is a first step performed to switch on a computer. Then option C, it is performed when computer starts. Then option D, it is the last step performed to shut down a computer. So, what is the correct answer? Option C. Booting is performed when CPU is turned on. So it is performed when computer starts. Option C is the correct answer. Achiever section. Arrange the given steps in a correct order to start a computer. Option 1, switch on the CPU. Option 2, switch on the monitor. Option 3, switch on the UPS. Option 4, switch on the power switch. So, what is the correct order to start a computer? First one, what you should do? Switch on the power switch. So, this is one. Then, Next, switch on the UPS. So this is the second one. Then next, switch on the CPU. So this is the third one. And then switch on the monitor. So what is the correct step? Which is the correct option? Option C. First, you must do step 4, then 3, then 1, then 2. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. After shutting down the computer, what is the next step to perform? Option A, click on start button. Option B, switch on the UPS. Option C, remove the keyboard wires. Option D, switch off the monitor. So after shutting down the computer, we must switch off the monitor. So which is the correct option? Option D. Unscramble the words given in column 1 and match them with the words given in column 2. So some words are given in column 1, we have to unscramble these words. Then in column 2, we have given 3 options. First one, end access to a computer. Option 2, gaining access to use computer. Then option 3, secret combination of letters and numbers. So first we will unscramble these words. Okay. So after unscrambling, we will get first one as login, Login. Then second one, password, Password, password. Then next one, logout, Logout, logout. So we will match. What is login? Login is gaining access to use computer. So this is the option. Then password. Password is a secret combination of letters and numbers. Then what is logout? Logout, end access to a computer system. So which is the correct option? Option B. We use dash and dash to get access to the computer. Option A, username, password. Option B, password, word grid. Option C, password, crossword. Option D, first name, last name. So we use username and password to get access to the computer. So option A is the correct answer. The name assigned to a user to access a computer is called a username. The secret combination of alphabets and numbers is called a password. The image given here shows the dash step which is performed when we start a computer. Options. Option A first, option B second, option C last, option D none of these. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C. Monitor is powered on in the end while starting a computer. So it is the last step. So option C is the correct answer. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.